Good morning, children. Today we will learn about the soldering iron. About the soldering iron. उससे पहले first we will pray Lord Ganesh to give us energy to do our practical correctly, and we will learn something. You see, गणेश जी को ओम गणेशाय नमः. नेक्स्ट है, देखिए ये जो प्रोजेक्ट है हमारा मोटो है लर्निंग, डूइंग एंड अर्निंग. पहले हम सीखेंगे दिस इज लर्निंग, उसके बाद करेंगे, उसके बाद कुछ कमाएंगे. दैट इज आवर मोटो इज लर्निंग, डूइंग एंड अर्निंग. ओके, सो टुडे वी रीड, that is name of the project is soldering iron, and second is aim of the project to acquire knowledge how to repair an electric soldering iron and the correlations with other subject and to prepare best material from waste. Okay, so what are the tools required? You see, for the tools required, that is your cutting plier or insulated combination plier, and next is your soldering iron, then next is your tester. This is the tester, this is the soldering iron, and this is your insulated combination plier. So these are the tools required. Next is your in material required, that is in material required also this soldering iron, and the test lamp leads. You see here, this is the test lamp leads. So in this test lamp leads, you will see that there are two ends. You see two ends. The one is your for positive, other may be negative. I have given here the red black tape so that you will always connect, or you will always connect with the positive wire, and this is connected with the negative wire, and this is also the other end of the wire. So there is also two ends, positive and negative. So this is your testing leads. Next is your soldering iron. You see here, I have drawn the figure, and you will see that this is the metal body. This is the metal body of the soldering iron, and this is the copper bit or tip. Copper bit or tip. Next, inside that the element, heating element, and this is the wooden handle, and this is the cord. And in that cord there is two ends. One is your positive, other is your negative ends. And here I have also drawn the diagram. This is the copper tip, Then inside that there is the heating element. Just like our heater, there is a coil or resistance, we heat. So heating element, and over that metal case, this is the metal case. ये metal case है ना? Inside that there is the heating element, and this is the wooden handle, and inside that also the leads, that is your porcelain beads, that is insulating material or mica piece, and porcelain beads, and this is the wooden handle, and to the wooden handle the cord is connected. This is the cord. So this is the cord you see here, just like you keep like this. So this is the soldering iron, this is the cord, and this is your two-pin plug, and for that only there is two ends, positive and negative. So this is about the indication of the parts of soldering iron. Okay, now we will dismantle and reassemble the soldering iron. You see, so already I have told you that there is a bit. So this is the bit, and inside that there is the heating element, and this is the wooden handle. So here is one screw, other there is also one screw. So you have to open this screw so that the visible parts, your heating element will be there, So first you take a insulated combination plier and you open means that is your dismantle. Now we are dismantling. So dismantling, so you remove these screws of the soldering iron. Now you will see that this is the bit. This is the bit, and what I have told you, these are your insulated, and inside that there is the porcelain beads. You see here, porcelain beads, and inside that there is a coil. And this coil is connected with the insulated, and this is the tips. When the coil is heated, when you give the supply, then the coil is heated and it hits this bit. Then the bit is heated so that you can connect the to the soldering wire and soldering paste, and you can solder the joints. So these are the different parts of the soldering iron. You see, these are the leads, beads, these beads. Okay, and inside that there is the coil. Suppose when the heater is not heated, suppose you are giving the supply to the soldering iron, and this is just like the function of the heater, small heater, and it is heating the bit, and so the bit is heated. Suppose the bit is not heated, and you will see that the coil may be broken, or the wire may be loosened. So you have to change the coil and you connect these wires, two ends. Okay, and after connection again you can reassemble means, suppose this is your bit, so bit is connected, and these are your heating element. Inside that heating element, this is available. You have to change these heating elements, and these heating elements are available, so you can change. And these are the beads. These beads, inside the beads there is the wire, because this may connect or contact with this metal body and you will get shock. So that only the beads are connected, and after connection of the beads are also available. You make the connections like this manner, and just you join this and tighten the screws, and now you have reassembled the coil, and you can do your soldering work. And if again it is not heated, suppose you have changed the coil, again it is not heated, so what are the problems? The problems may be with the cords. You tighten this. Unless you tighten, again the coil may break insides, because it will vibrate while you are doing the soldering. Suppose again after connection the heat is not coming here, you can check the testing leads, and if the testing leads is not working, then you have to change also the testing leads. So this is about your soldering iron, and you can keep it ready for your different electronics project, because for the electronic project this soldering iron is very much necessary. So this is all about our soldering iron. Again you can think about what are the possible faults of a soldering iron, and how can you check, and you can repair and reassemble the different parts of the soldering iron. Okay, thank you.